Hi, everybody. Welcome to my backyard. I know I've talked a lot about having chickens. You see the coop? I don't see any chickens now. Oh, doing some laundry. I don't see any chickens, but maybe they'll pass behind my head. And you can see my chickens. Um, I wanted to talk to you real quick about grading, and some of you might have noticed some things have changed in Skyward, and wanted to explain how the grading is going to continue throughout the rest of this quarter, unless, of course, they change again, because I got new information this week and some ways to think about it. So here it goes. So hopefully by now you understand that your third quarter grade is your end of second semester grade, uh, unless you make unless you make improvements on it. And the improvements can be submitting the assignments that I've been delivering you every week, and submitting them well or as best as you can, and so forth. So with that in mind, the assignments that you complete are valuable for your learning period. Just extended learning gives you something to do if you're struggling with that, and just continue to move your learning along. So grades are now going to work like this. So any assignment you do turn in is either a kind of a you met the standard or expectation, you attempted the assignment but didn't quite meet the standard or expectation, or you didn't turn the assignment in at all. And the first assignment earns the first statement about meeting expectation earns full credit. The second statement about attempting it but not meeting it earns partial credit or half. And then if you don't turn it in all, it doesn't count against you. It's a missing assignment, but it doesn't count against you. And they've set up Skyward so it won't count against you. And all these assignments that you do turn in are added points because they're counted for you but not against you. So how do we grade from this point on? What are assignments truly worth? And this is where I hope you don't get too confused. But here it goes. So I did the math, and I did the math by taking a look at how many points third quarter was worth. And I took a look at how much work I've been asking you to do in fourth quarter, a little bit, since the third quarter grades. And if I kept the same point structure that I do in class, which is about each day is worth about 10 points. So if an assignment we worked on was a day's worth, it's 10 points. And if it took us 5 days, it would be worth 50 points. So I did some math, and here's what I did. So each assignment, the category of classwork and homework, those assignments, each one of them is worth 2 points. 2 points added to your your third quarter grade. Doesn't count against you if you didn't do it. It only adds points. So each assignment is 2 points. Each of the quizzes that I've given you is also worth 2 points. But remember, those 2-point quizzes go into the quiz test and project category. And the quiz test project category, that is 60% of your grade. So you kind of have to be strategic here. Look at your grades. If you were really low on your test scores, take the quizzes. Make sure you take those because those will add. The other thing is that the Rocks Recycle project, which I've gotten 4 assignments turned in so far, and they are good, and it's working. So consider that, because that assignment also falls into that category and is of higher value. Even though it's 2 points, it'll make more of a difference of your grade because that category is 60%. So based on every assignment be equaling now 2 points, 2 points that add to your third quarter grade. If I did the math right and you have completed everything I have given you so far, you have the potential to move your grade up 2 grades. 2 grades. Now, if you're already at an A, you have an A for the 4th quarter, you have an A for the semester, and what you're doing right now is learning. If you have a C and you do all the work right now, then you are going to be able to build your grade up higher than a C, could be into a B, and so forth. So think this through. What are you doing? Are you doing the assignments? Are you doing the assignments in your other classes that could be of great benefit to you? So I hope that helps. Um, if you get in there and it looks like your grade dropped, you can definitely ask me. Oh, chicken. See the chicken right there? Whoops. Whoop, where'd he go? Where'd she go? Oh, she's right there. See her? Getting a little drink of water. Um, sorry, squirrel. What was I saying? I'll figure it out when I go back to the video, and I'll try to add something that makes more sense. However, hope you're doing well. Hope you're going to enjoy this really warm weather. Be safe out there. Let me know how you doing. Email or join me on a Zoom. I'm kind of bored with those Zooms. I've had only a few people, so come on in. We'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.